Hello everyone, this is a video.
One of Deb's favourite type of videos. This
Yeah.
one, another one of my not how to but how I do series of videos.
But I thought I'd sit next to him and join in.
Yeah. In this one we replace our leisure batteries.
Yeah.
We moved on to the boat 15 months ago and the survey showed up that the batteries weren't in the best of condition. We had four 110 amp 12 volt deep cycle leisure batteries, and we've managed to squeeze another 15 months out of them, so
Which was good.
yeah,
Pleased about that.
yeah. But this is what we've done. Right, we're here in Gayton, Marina, and a little birdie has just told me I've had a delivery, so I'm going to go from the pointy end of the boat through to the rounded end of the boat and show you guys what I've got. Squeeze out through my man cave, out into the outside world, and delivery. Let's have a look. Right, so whatever it is fragile and should be keeping this way up. Four new leisure batteries. They're the same length and width. I think these are about 25mm taller, so I might have to make some modifications to the lid so that doesn't rest on the battery terminals. Right, here goes. So hopefully this should just drop in how the other ones came out. There, now I can't remember whether positive was that side or this side. That's gone in there, a treat. Now there's just one little thing to remember. These are sealed lead acids, but for transit purposes only. They come with a little vent plug. Once you've installed these batteries, you must remove that immediately. That should fit in okay. Well, I got my measurements right. That was what I was worried about. They'd be delivered and they'd be too big. So just show you what I've got to do now. Right, I've got a temperature probe here, and that is from my solar MPPT controller. That will just drop down between the two batteries. Remove the caps and then take the clamps off of the old batteries and place onto here, and then we're ready to start reconnecting. Yeah, so all we've got to do is just remove these clamps that are on the old batteries and put them on the new ones, greasing the terminals up. Now, as any of you who lives on a boat knows that space is a premium, and somewhere in one of those many tubs I have a small tube of grease to go on the battery terminals, so I shall see you in about an hour's time when I've found it. We're about half an hour later. I've been through every tub, and just as I was putting the last tub back, something come to mind. So in real time, we're now gonna check this out. Yeah, I have a sneaky feeling, and why it's only just come to me now. I thought that about a year ago I decided to put this in here to keep it safe. I just had a little workout before I actually remembered where I'd put it. Now what I am going to do is just check the resting voltage on each battery as they are delivered, and I'm going to be expecting something around the 12.8 volts. battery number 1, battery number 2, battery number 3, and battery number 4. Yeah, so that's good news. At least we know all the batteries have arrived in good, fully charged order. So I'll now get on with changing those terminals over. Well, happy bunny, all went to plan, and I'll just show you. And here we have all installed, all connected back up, all the terminals greased up, and just check on my Victron battery monitor. Let's have a look. And there's the Victron battery monitor readings. And like I said, we had to change one thing, which was the battery capacity. Before we had 4 110 amp hour batteries, and now we've got 4 130 amp hour batteries. So that had to up that from 440 to 520.
Yeah, so as you can see, or as you can see, or as you've just seen, Mark's a clever little Harry.
And it all went according to plan.
Yeah. So Mark will put where he got the batteries from in a link below.
Yeah, done a lot of shopping around, asked for some advice. Now I know everybody is banging on at the moment about lithium batteries, and they are fantastic. They are expensive, but it's still a new technology. So our plan is, if we get 3 to 4 years out of these batteries, then when we come to replace these, we shall look at upgrading to lithiums. Technology would have moved on so much further. Price hopefully would have come down, who knows, but at least will some of the manufacturers' claims would have hopefully stood the test of time.
Yeah, I mean, we weighed up the pros and the cons.
Yes,
and,
yeah.
You know, that's what we decided.
So as Debbie said, if you look in the links below, I've put so as Debbie said, Deb's got the giggles.
Okay.
Yeah, as Deb said, I've put the link in the description below of where you can get these batteries from, and the company I got them for actually do a deal on 2, 3 or 4. Now I bought them as a bulk lot of 4 and got a good discount on them, so check those out. And so if you enjoyed this video,
press the like button.
if you haven't already subscribed,
press the subscribe button,
and if you want future notifications of any future videos we upload,
and you press the bell icon.
And comments, any comments, even if they're technical ones. If I know the answer, I'll answer it. If I don't know the answer, I'll still answer it. I'll make something up. And well, that's it. Yeah.
So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.